The Panasonic Call Block button unit. How to set the automatic block mode. This unit can block calls by setting an automatic block mode beforehand. Step 1. Press the menu button. Step 2. Confirm that block mode is highlighted, and then press OK. Press the arrow up or down to select the desired automatic block mode. The available options are Unknown. Unknown will block calls when no phone number is provided, such as private callers or out-of-area calls. International. International will block international calls. 00 prefix will block those calls whose number starts with 00. The default mode for all is off. Make your selection and then press OK. Press the arrow up to select on and then press OK to select. Press Exit to leave the menu mode.